vegetable Chinese comfort soup my husband made for me. Well, I finally got him. I shouldn't even say to get on camera because he's here, but he's just gonna tell us. So what's this soup again, hun?
Vegetable soup.
It's a vegetable Chinese soup. So I've got the washed and diced, well, they're not really diced, but they're cut mushrooms. We've got the French beans. We have got onions, rough chop. You don't have to worry about a crazy dice. We've got celery and carrots cut to about 1/4 inch. We've got minced chopped fresh ginger, about a teaspoon, maybe a little bit more than a teaspoon. We've also got some minced garlic. How much garlic here did you use, hun?
It's about a tablespoon.
About a tablespoon. And this is a bunch of freshly washed and rough chopped bok choy.
Baby bok choy.
Baby bok choy. And we've got the Swanson's vegetable broth. And we've also got some frozen peas to add. You can also use sugar snap peas if you like. And these are all of our fresh ingredients. They're very fresh. Kind of like my husband. Very fresh. Are you fresh, hon?
Sure.
He's got our stock pot here on about medium.
Medium high.
Medium high, and you're gonna use your oil. What are you using here, hun? Just regular olive oil?
Yeah, 2 to 3 tablespoons maybe.
Okay, 2 to 3 tablespoons of the olive oil. And don't use extra virgin, you guys, because extra virgin is only for dressings and condiment type style. You want just regular olive oil if you're gonna be like sauteing and cooking. So
We're going to do the carrots.
we're gonna do the carrots.
And
Okay.
The celery and the onions.
Okay, so we're gonna add the carrots, celery, and the onions first because those are a little tougher and are gonna take a bit longer to saute. And we're using vegetable broth. Are we using broth or stock? We're using broth.
Yeah.
We're using broth, but you can use chicken broth if you like. You can use beef broth if you like. You can customize it. And if you use chicken broth, you can buy already cooked fresh rotisserie chicken from the grocery store, chop that up and put that in your finished soup as well for like a quick comfort chicken soup. Ooh, look at that. Yum, yum. Okay, so we're gonna saute the carrots, the onions, and the celery for about 5 minutes in that oil. So when we're sauteing our vegetables, how do we know when they're done? Say if you don't have a timer. They start just getting super soft, but you don't want them mushy, right?
Yeah, you don't need to. They're not going to get soft in 5 minutes.
Okay.
So they just need time to get all the flavors out and stuff with the onion and everything.
Yeah. Okay, so we just added the garlic.
Our 5 minutes is up.
Our 5 minutes is up.
And we're just going to add the garlic in. We'll saute that for about 30 seconds.
30 seconds, not too long. Yeah, you don't want to burn it. You want your own show, Dada?
Sure.
What are you going to call it?
Boring cooking. Just the basics.
Boring cooking with Dada. Alright, so that's the garlic, 30 seconds.
Alright, then we're going to add our vegetable broth.
Veggie
So
broth.
we're going to do about
You didn't buy organic this time, Dada.
64 ounces.
I'm sure there's lots of people out here aghast watching this video because you did not buy organic broth. What do you have to say about that?
Haters gonna hate.
So that's the first container of the broth.
Once we add that, so bring it up to a boil.
Okay.
And add your liquids.
Is it Michael Bublé?
Yeah.
He's your boyfriend, isn't he? I know it. So now we're adding our cut French beans. And why French beans? Just because they're a little bit thinner, and or what?
Use whatever kind of beans your little heart desires.
You're full of beans. I know that to be true. Okay, so this is our ginger. When are we adding that?
We will add that. I think we can add it now. Let me see.
Okay.
Add the ginger, and we're gonna add salt and pepper to taste, however much you want. Use
But not too much, right? You don't want like a salty.
Oh yeah, you think to it. But two pinches of salt, I'd say, 2 pinches of pepper.
Okay.
But salt and pepper to taste. Some people like more, some people like less. But vegetable broth doesn't have a lot of flavor, so I use a little more salt and pepper.
Now there's people out there that are going to be asking, because did you make it slightly spicy last time? Is there anything other than the ginger and the garlic that you're adding to give it like a little bit of a kick? Like, are some people going to maybe want to do sriracha or like chilies or some kind of crazy thing?
I didn't last time, but
You didn't?
you can.
You can. This is the same exact thing you did last time?
Yeah, I don't remember us putting anything spicy last time, but you can add sriracha or whatever you want. Alright, so we're going to bring that up to a boil, and then after that comes up to a boil, then we're going to bring it down to a simmer for about 30 minutes and just let it do its thing.
Okay,
Get all the flavors out of the vegetables.
Sweet. The bok choy, the peas, and the mushrooms have simmered. It's pretty much done. Now if you wanted just straight vegetable soup at this point, you can just eat that, or you can add cooked beef or chicken or pork, whatever else you want, right? Okay, I'm talking to myself here.
You talking to me? Oh, sorry. I guess you put in whatever you want.
Okay, yummy, yummy, yummy. And there we have it, my
Our
friends.
soup is ready.
Chinese vegetable soup, y'all. Yum, yum, yum. How's the veggie soup?
It smells good.
It's good.
Yeah, delicioso.
The soup you guys are eating
Looks
smells good.
yummy.